Hello, I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, your chef, Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. And guess what? Today, I am going to make you some Coco Flan with Koo Koo Liqueur. First thing first though, we want to say thank you to our sponsor, the owner of Koo Koo Liqueur, Sir Peter. Sir Peter, thank you for sponsoring my show here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you guys, this liqueur is so good. The very first time I had tried this 4 years ago, I was amazed by this. And if you guys want to order and purchase, look down below because we have the phone number, and please ask for the promo of Chef Coco P Cruz and they'll take care of you. Yeah, you're gonna love this because I do. First thing first, we're gonna have to put this in a medium high heat. I'm gonna show you what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to caramelize a cup of regular sugar. Make sure you don't overburn your sugar also, because you just want to caramelize it. This is the liquidation that I need for our caramelize. So it's been 4 minutes that I am stirring this. So time to turn off our caramelized sugar. Look at this. It only took us 6 minutes to melt this. Transfer this to our mold here. I know there's a lot of people make leche flan, but this is my way of leche flan, and I'm sharing you guys my recipe, and you guys are going to love this. Now time to show you step 2. So this is a cup and a half of condensed milk, and this is 1 cup and a half of evaporated milk. Mix this together like so, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Just pour that all over. Just keep stirring. We have 3 large eggs here that I am going to crack open. Let's mix. This is one of my favorite desserts. As growing up as a kid, my parents, they always cook this. My dad, my mom, all my siblings, they're all cooks to my family. We are going to put the 3 large beaten eggs here. Stir this for about 6 to 8 minutes. I add a couple of pinches of Himalayan salt just to break a little of the sweetness. Transfer all these goodies everywhere. You can hear it crack too. I have 5 cups of water here, and I am going to transfer it to my baking pan. Now this is 11 by 15 baking pan. Make sure you do not put any water into your flan. After putting our water, we're gonna now cover it. Cover it like that. And turn on our oven to 350 degrees, and then check up on it in 20 minutes. Now making our sauce with Koo Koo Liqueur, we are going to zest a piece of orange. Please wash every time you are doing zesting. So in our skillet here, we're going to put a cup of Koo Koo Liqueur. Now we set a fire into medium low. We wait on this to be cooked for 2 minutes. Koo Koo Liqueur is created from pure real chocolate and finest of spirit. So this is really, really great and awesome. We're gonna add the heavy whipping cream. This is 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream. We stir this some more for another 2 minutes. Our citrus here, our orange. I'm not gonna put too much. I would say probably just a few pinches of it. Keep stirring, guys. Keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Leave your oven 350 degrees still, but we're gonna have to take this out. Please be very, very careful. As you can see, there are boiling water there. As you can see, this has been 20 minutes, so our flan is almost cooked. But we're gonna take this out. We put back the cover, and we put this back into our baking pan like so. Put it back inside again the oven for another 40 minutes. So it's been total 1 hour, but I am going to wait for that water to stop boiling. Let that be chilled for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then do you remember the Coco Liqueur that we were cooking earlier? Since it was sitting there for a while, what you're going to do is stir it for a little bit more. And we are going to put that all over our leche flan. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Move the sauce all over. So now we're just gonna let this to be set for 15 minutes. Let it chill. Your dessert is ready for you. I hope you get to enjoy my cooking show here on YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. And please share this Coco Flan with Coco Liqueur with your families and your loved ones. Mwah! I love you all. Enjoy! Tell me when you're ready, cause I am ready. And so what you do is you put the fried chicken on top of the leche flan. It's gonna come out like leche. Anyway, we are going to zest a piece of lemon. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Leche flan. Ang tagal.